Hey guys, welcome to Sma-Trendz. Today we're going to make some pomegranate rice. Yum. You can see all those good pomegranates and they're all sprinkled all over. Delicious. So now we're going to start by adding 1 cup of rice. And we're just going to wash it 2 to 3 times with some sink water. And then we're going to add 2 cups of filter water. And we're just gonna let it cook until you hear 3 whistles. You can see that whistle over there. Okay, now we can see this perfectly cooked rice. Delicious. But we're gonna let it cool down for a bit so that we can mix the curd into it. So now, after it cools down, we're gonna add some curd. But to help it cool down, you can just mix it for a little while. Now you're going to add 2 cups of curd. And you're going to mix it. So you can see all the curd getting mixed into it. And after you mix it all up, you're just going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. Because curd is sometimes a little sour, so the milk helps make it a bit sweet and not too sour. So now we're gonna go over to the stove and add 1 teaspoon of ghee, and we're gonna let it melt and add 2 teaspoons of peanuts. You can see that's a lot of peanuts. You can see them all getting fried up in there. And next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. There we go. And after we add this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper seeds. Be careful, guys, because even 1 pepper seed can set your mouth on fire. Even 2 red chilies can set your mouth on fire. But we're going to add them anyways. But when we add it to the curd rice, I don't think we'll get much spice. We're going to add a few curry leaves into the mixture. And we're going to let it all fry up in there. And after it cools down, we're just going to put it into our curd rice. And we're going to mix it all up. You can see a few chilies and peanuts poking out of there. Add a little salt. And then you're just going to mix it up. And after that, you're going to let it rest for about 30 minutes. So that you can really get the flavor. After it's done waiting, you can start serving. So take some delicious curd rice and put it on a plate. Like it's ready to be served. Now you can add a few pomegranate seeds. Did you see that? The transformation went from curd rice to pomegranate rice. But this pomegranate rice has very high protein and vitamins. It is very healthy and helps you build strong muscles. It is also very delicious. Make sure to cook it at your home and enjoy it too. Because I know you guys really want to try this. It is so healthy and yummy and delicious. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like our channel, comment to our channel, share our videos to everybody you know, and subscribe.